Alright guys, hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Jay, the Motor Marauder, back again with another video. You guys can see, we just got off work. We're taking the bike out to the gym. I usually don't, as you guys know, I've been going to the gym a lot more recently. And I don't usually go this time, but a couple of co-workers invited me out so to work out with them. So I'm like, sure, let's go. It's a different gym than usual, so it's gonna be a little fun. And have a good workout and we'll hit the boys. So I'm just gonna be doing a small vlog there and the workout itself. Got my wallet. And just have a little fun, record the workout. And let's go about our day, man. Just a small little vloggy vlog with the boys. Small vlog with the guys, you know. Should be a little fun. Man, I'm carrying so much stuff in my dude. Right now, I'm carrying so much stuff in my backpack. My backpack weighs at least about 50 pounds or like 40 pounds right now. There's a lot of stuff in there. Man, I hate stop and go traffic a lot, especially this roundabout. So many accidents happen here. But yeah, we're going to the gym right now. It's going to be a good time. Don't really have much else to talk about. I just got off work. And you guys saw, I popped the Monster. It's a rehab. No, not carbonated, and I feel energized right now, man. It's going to be a good workout. I've been going heavy. I've been going every single day for the last 3 weeks. And I've been doing good on my cut. Been doing very good on my cut. So yeah, guys, how have you guys been? Have you guys been all right? It's been a long weekend now too, so it's gonna be a good time. Have a lot to do this weekend. I'm gonna be recording a ton of content, doing some photo shoots, just having some fun and applying for more roles and stuff like that. I've also applied roles internally right now, and on my old team. It feels like I might be landing the interview there too. So let's see. Things are looking up right now. Things are looking up right now. It'll be a fun time. Yeah. Don't think I turn here. No, it's not here. Sometimes I get confused on where that gym actually is. I've been there a couple times. But with all this stuff on, man. I've been doing good on my diet, except I need more veggies, like low carb veggies. I think bell peppers would be nice. I'm probably gonna pick some up tonight. Back when I was in high school, I used to play I used to do strength and conditioning with the rugby coach. Like we had this course outside of PE, which was strength and conditioning, which all the football guys, the basketball guys, and everyone would do. And I played rugby at the time too, and it's all the same coach. So I took that as well, and it was pretty fun. I'd work out in the morning before school, and then I'd do strength and conditioning as well, and it was fun. But one thing I saw him do all the time was just munching on bell peppers. I was like, huh, I should do this. I did no research at the time, no research or anything, and I was like, huh. And after a year or two, and I'm like, huh, why does he do this? And I was still eating bell peppers a lot too. I was like, huh, why does he do this? So I researched it. Bell peppers are actually really low in carbs, a lot of nutrients. So I was like, huh, that's why. And ever since, I honestly eat a lot of bell peppers, red, yellow, orange. I eat a lot of them. Ever since that coach, the coach, really put me on bell peppers. So if you need a low carb veggie when you're on a cut, bell peppers, guys, I'm telling you, they're good. Alright, we're at the gym. Gravel everywhere.
Mercedes, BMW, Bugatti.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Alright, we're at the gym. Fit for Change Fitness Club. Alright, I'll catch you guys inside. Alright guys, I just got through with the workout. I didn't record anything basically, it was too packed. But hey, we got a good workout in. We did back and biceps. Me and a couple co-workers. I've had. So, I head on home. I might not talk much because we're on the highway. It's gonna be loud. I'm gonna try talking and see how loud it actually gets. And Daniel, my buddy over there, is going on the highway as well. I might catch up to him. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I'm gonna put this up in like a month. This video is going to be up in a month. Yeah,
Yeah, sounds great.
sounds good, man. All right, I need to put on my music before I leave. Then I need to catch up to Daniel. Hopefully he hasn't sped off. Alright guys, so with that being said, I'm going to end the video here if I haven't already. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to catch you guys in tomorrow. Actually, no, I'm not going to end the video here. As I said, I'm going to be recording this into tomorrow's video. So be right back. Alright guys, we just got done with the workout. It's been a couple hours. I did a bit of back and biceps today. However, I was only able to record the back workout because as soon as I got to biceps, the entire place got packed, and I'm still awkward in the gym recording. It feels weird just yet. Maybe if I had more muscle, I wouldn't really care about that. But anyways, I'm honestly just feeling weird about recording when there's a lot of people in the gym. You know, those things where people might get upset or may feel weird about that. So I'm like, okay, I'll just respect and not film when there are people in the gym. So anyways, did back and biceps, killer workout. And yeah, that should be the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below and liking this video. And I'll catch you in the next one. We are going to be working more on the E46. We're going to be riding the R7 as much as we can until the off. Anyways, yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit. See ya.